The UP extension identifies an Unreal package file containing game assets and content for Unreal Engine games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract, inspect, or troubleshoot these game package files. For those complex UP formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. UP files are Unreal Engine package files containing compiled game assets including textures, meshes, sounds, animations, and scripts. They are loaded by the Unreal Engine runtime during gameplay to provide game content across multiple Unreal Engine generations. Unreal package files use a binary format with a package header containing name table, import table, export table, and dependent packages list. Assets are serialized as UObject instances with class-specific property data and optional bulk data for textures and audio. The UP proprietary design mandates association with Unreal Tournament from Epic Games. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows cannot preview game assets or data, so specialized tools are needed to work with them. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the UP file and hit Open With. Launch it using Unreal Tournament if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If the UP file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the UP file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, extracting assets. Use UEviewer umodel by Gildor to browse and extract assets from Unreal package files. Open the UP file to view contained meshes, textures, sounds, and other assets. Export to standard formats, including FBX for meshes and PNG for textures. Next, inspecting with UE Explorer. Download UE Explorer to decompile and view Unreal script code within UP packages. Browse class hierarchies, inspect property values, and examine game logic implementation. This tool is essential for understanding game mechanics for modding purposes. Finally, modding considerations. Modifying UP package files may affect game stability and multiplayer compatibility. Use the appropriate Unreal Editor version for your target game to create mod packages. Follow the game community's modding guidelines for proper package creation and distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.